It's apple pie day.
Howdy doody people, we're back again. We've got a marathon of 4 narrations to do today.
And we're doing them all. That is plain uncolored soap dough turned into apple slices, apple pie slices, and there are some melt and pour red ribbon, appley, smelly, rubber ducky. Subscribe if you'd like to. Keep listening to us babble. Hit that like button, which I hear they may be getting rid of, which would make me very happy. Because some people dislike videos just because they don't like you. And you wonder every week, why are you watching the video? We've added the lye water solution to the oils, we've whizzied it, and now we're going to stir too much.com. As usual.
Got to keep stirring.
Well, you do, because I don't whiz it very long. I want to make sure it's, what's the word?
Fully mixed.
Emulsified. There's Nurture soap. Yellow. I can't remember what it's called. I showed it at the beginning. Yellow, something yellow? Something yellow? True yellow? No, I don't know. You'll have to go to their website and check it out. It's a good yellow. I'm assuming this is the piping because that's my piping tub. So we're going to set it aside for later. Not sure why I picked yellow for piping. Wonder what I was thinking there.
Could be to do with the custard because you have apple pie and custard.
Maybe.
I can't remember.
Apple and yellow. Weird. That's a weird one, but we'll see how it turns out. Sometimes I look at color palettes. I might have just picked a weird color palette. So we're just going to mix the color in, set it aside, and then going to make the soap.
And hopefully very soon you'll be able to see the new table we've set up.
And yeah, this is my old setup. There we go. So we're putting Nurture soap, yellow vibrance into the main soap batter, which is really weird to me. Looking like I made this a couple of months ago, so I'm just narrating now, and I'm looking at it thinking, why did I pick yellow?
Well, I never seen you make this soap. I saw you make the embeds, the slices, but not the...
I mean, believe it or not, it doesn't turn out yellow. It does, but not like the way you're seeing it now. So maybe I knew that. And there's Apple Jack and Peel fragrance oil. Yummy. So it's a real apple scent, but it's also spicy. You can smell the cloves in there and stuff.
Yeah.
It's a favorite.
And if you notice there, people, it's quite expensive, isn't it? I mean, that bottle there was $41.75.
Yeah, it is expensive. I'm actually looking for a manufacturer so I can cut the middleman out. Soapy red ribbons, also scented, going into the soap batter. So I've been looking at AFI in the States. I'm in Canada. And they manufacture fragrances. Next time I need to stock up, I might give them a try, but I'm a little bit scared of the duty fees and cost of shipping because it'll be heavy. But, I'll compare and we'll see. I love Windy Point, but they are, a middleman. Expensive. And I'm very generous with my fragrance oils. I look at the allowable percentage and I go for it.
Yeah, I think you need to ask the suppliers what's the situation with taxes, because it's really sad that you have to pay tax going out and a tax coming in.
Oh, the duty fees are for importing.
Ridiculous.
Yes. So here we go. Into the mold. Still not sure why I wanted yellow, but it'll come to me. Doesn't that look good though?
Looks like chunky apple, that, in custard. Again, talking about food.
Right, so the apple ribbons were meant to represent apple peels.
Yeah.
But I'm still not remembering why the yellow. I probably knew it would fade, but I don't know. Let's just see what happens. And that's a lot of ribbons. This soap is available at fruitsofaloon.com, fruitsofaloon.com.
Yeah, feel free to buy a few bars and
Feel free to buy
have a look at the products on there. Obviously, it supports the channel, you know.
It does. The whole summer 2021 series has dropped at fruitsofaloon.com. There's a lot of nice soaps there right now. And it's a slow time of year. We're narrating in, I don't know when you're going to be seeing this, but we're narrating in June. Very slow time of year for online sales. I'm happy just to make my material monies back, actually. And speaking of which, I have a bone to pick. I keep hearing other soapers say, know your worth. Don't lower your price. Okay, it's okay to know your worth, right? But when they say, don't lower your prices because you're hurting the rest of us.
What they mean is they're hurting them.
That's what they're saying.
Yeah.
Like, excuse me, but if I want to have a sale and it's my business, I'm going to have a sale.
Exactly.
And I like to have a sale once a year, 50% off, because guess what? I don't want 100,000 bars of soap in my house.
Yeah. And
Not only that, there's people looking at it all year. I can see on the tracking thing on Shopify, the people that keep coming back to look at it, that maybe can't afford it at $8.34.
That's right. It's all about having a fair price and looking after your customer.
So what is wrong with having a sale? Like, there's soapers out there selling bars of soap for $16, and I can't justify that. You know, maybe if they were the size of my head.
Yeah.
But I can't justify it, and if I want to have a sale so that people can afford to try my soap, I'm going to have a freaking sale.
Well, it's called competition.
That's like telling a clothing store across from your clothing store in the mall, can you please not put sales on because you're hurting the rest of us? It doesn't work that way. This is my business, and your business is your business. You set your prices, I set mine, and I'm going to do what I want to.
At the end of the day, it doesn't matter how much you price something, it's what the customer's prepared to pay.
And some people cannot justify even my price at $8.34, which is based on the cost of my materials, very little profit in there for the time I put into it, like the soap embeds and stuff.
I would say probably 75% of it is cost.
It is.
So, you know.
Absolutely is. But yeah, I'm going to continue to have my once yearly sales. I shouldn't say that because then you won't buy my soap at
anybody who buys
it's
products from here and they go and see the other products we've got, they're all beautiful products. They're all helping to support the channel. We're not turning into millionaires. It's to keep the channel going because the product cost is expensive.
That's right.
And the shipping cost doesn't help.
And, you know, this is my third year doing this, and I can't justify the prices that I'm seeing out there for myself.
Yeah.
If you've been doing it for 10 years, like Katie Carson's been doing it for 10 years, she can justify that price. She's worked so freaking hard to get where she's at, okay? So she deserves that. But I'm only in year 3, and I have to build my customer base, first of all.
Well, you were making soap for a long, long time, but you never did it at this level.
I've been making it for years, but I just started this channel and my my online shop. This is my 3rd year. So
yeah, another thing as well, you know, which is a problem.
Apples.
There's the apples. Is, you know, everybody's got used to the luxury of free shipping because of Amazon. Well, Amazon can afford to have free shipping because
they have a contract with
got a contract
all
and
these
they're moving billions
shippers.
of parcels.
Yeah.
But really, to be honest with you, there's not a postal service out there supports small businesses. The shipping costs are absolutely outrageous.
Astronomical. But I actually, there's my little soap dough pieces. It's just plain colored soap dough brushed with gold, and I think that's it, just brushed with gold. And yeah, shipping costs are shipping costs.
Sometimes it costs you more to ship than the item's worth. I mean, it makes no sense.
Yeah, but it is what it is, you know, and we all have to deal with it. The apple pie slices, I knew they wouldn't fit on one bar by themselves, so I kind of had to zigzag them, and they get chopped, but it still looks pretty cute. Have to say though, my piping is a little mushy in this one, and I didn't like the way it went over the sides.
But I think it turns out really well.
I do have free shipping if you spend $100 Canadian or more, but that was the best I could do. And I have a flat rate shipping fee. There's my moon sparkles. You can find those in the description below. They're from Amazon. They're biodegradable. I love them.
Well, anyway, we all appreciate the support you give us because it's, you know, it's just about probably keeping it going. It's much
Sorry for
appreciated.
ranting. I don't.
No, it's
I
topical.
didn't.
It
I
has to
heard
be
that
said.
statement. Don't lower your prices because you're hurting the rest of us. And I thought, wait a minute. It doesn't make any sense. But whatever. I'm gonna do what I want to do. How about that?
That's right, and look how nice that's turned out.
Yeah, you know, look, see how light it is on the sides? How it's not as yellow?
Yeah, it does react, doesn't it?
I think that's what I figured would happen. And now you're seeing the piping really yellow, but it's actually not anymore. It's pretty much the color.
Generally the top, isn't it? It's like a beigey colour.
It's a light yellow now. It has no scent in it, the piping, so it's gonna have a little more yellow in the piping, but I still don't know why it chose yellow, but whatever.
Anyway, the fragrance is amazing. It just smells like apples.
It smells up the whole house, and it's a yummy smell. In fact, if you were selling your house, you might want to put some wax melts with this scent in it.
Yep, just to give the customer a warm feeling of home.
But we're not selling our house because our porch and stairs are falling off.
Yes, we're still waiting for the porch and stairs to be
The
repaired.
insurance people. Come on, insurance people. It's been probably 3 weeks. Still waiting. That's stressful. Anyway, sorry for ranting.
Well, it's topical. I'm
Sometimes
sure
I
other
have
people
to.
are having the same issues, particularly with shipping, so it's worth a rant.
Well, no, the rant was about lowering prices.
Yeah, my rant was about shipping.
Shipping, I do my best. I have a flat rate shipping fee where I actually pay $3 towards your shipping, even though I don't say that on the website, because some people just can't afford or justify the cost of shipping. And that is apple soap, folks.
Looks like some weird hieroglyphic writing that on the side, doesn't it?
No, it looks like apple peels.
Yeah, it does, but it
And
reminds
there's
me
a
of writing.
brace. No, a brace.
A brace of apple jack peel soap.
Thank you for watching.
See you soon.
Sorry for the rant.
Bye.
If you like this video and you like listening to us babble, please hit the like button, which is going to disappear soon, I'm told, and subscribe to get more. See you next Saturday.